In this video, I'm going to unbox this PIXI Mini tripod by Manfrotto. First, I'm going to talk a little bit about this GorillaPod I unboxed last video. Now, I got this, and I thought, hey, I can get one device that can serve as a handheld, vlog style like this, or be a tripod, or mount all fancy against an outdoor rail or a shelf or a column or something, right? Wrap it around something. So one device do many things. Good idea, right? Well, it is, but it kind of is a pain in my butt because I get a little OCD about these things not being straight. And I'll sit here and try to straighten them out way too long. And then as you see, this thing's crooked. And there's not really an adjustment. You just got to mess around with these legs until it's straight. And of course now it's like it's not even, right? And again, my OCD tendencies and everything is just like, I really just want something I could sit down and pick up and be more versatile with. But meanwhile, I'm sitting here wrestling with these legs all the time. It is versatile, but you gotta wrestle with it. Let's see if this will fix that problem for me. So this, a nice little tab I just put into it. I'll read the instructions later, right? So here we go. Spread that out. Now this little button, what does that do? That's what I'm not sure of. Does it go crazy? No, okay, good. It locks into place. That I like. I like that. And this thing, one thing about these mini tripods is kind of a pain is that you have to unscrew them. Like, there's not like a quick screw or quick release or anything. You got to unscrew the whole thing like that. Unscrewing this against the back of the iPad is sometimes this bumps against the phone and it's hard to screw in. But here's the new toy here. Actually, it looks like it may have the same problem. Hi, camera switch. I wanted to try this out to see if that little nub bounces against the back of this iPad when I try to screw it in. And sure enough, that little button gets in the way with this Joby mount. So this is the Joby mount that came with the GorillaPod, which by the way works fine without a case, but if you have a case or a ring, it doesn't necessarily fit. So I like this. It's very sturdy, the Joby mount, but on phones with cases, it doesn't really fit very well. Now, of course, you can work around that by loosening this longer screw and changing the angle on it, and then you got plenty of room, right? But, just be aware it's an extra step. Where's that button? There's that button. So I push that button and move the iPad around and adjust it the way I want. I like this already. So there, I don't have to worry about the legs being straightened out. If I want this, I push that little button and make it however I want. Okay, I like this. And I can just pick it up, do it like this, and just taking my toys out for a stroll. I got in this hand the Manfrotto, and in this hand the GorillaPod. Just testing out what a walking vlog might look like. Yeah, I like the Manfrotto better. Thumbs up for me.